Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Hakajing yalang ka balalong haka arpulay terik mentau nailar arjar khat khandai ka College of Teacher Education PGT Shillong kala pun kup buram ya gino hikai ki bala pendep ya kajing pentebet jongki haka kam hikai school na keleng ka jela ki badai na ka kenhon jong ginong pule jong usnem arjar khat nyau hado usnem arjar khat khandai ya gini gino hikai ki badon kumba san phongot ai baro ki bala pendep ya kajing pule jongki mentau usnem la pun kup buram da usembot menteri rangba ka jela uba preston tensong ubalalong ukong san kajing yalang rengkat kajing edon lang u president jongka governing body jongka ne ka college uba George Parriott ka principal ke Dr. V Karmo Plang bad ki wede gino hikai jongka ne ka college hagane kajing yalang la ai pun kup buram kerpang ru ya ki saungut ki ba khampau hagajing pule ki ba kentup ya ka banrisuk merthong ka Charlotte Mauri ka banyo I kenti wankar bad ka Delia M Sangma ki laingut ki wei pat ki dei ki bala yo ya ka nam all grade for teaching ba kentup ya ka Chena Lin Taba ka Iban Sara Bu Phang ka Probity Talang u Sandy Aaron but u Sunil Chetri.
Suddenly it strikes my mind that this place can be called as Temple of Knowledge. Temple of Knowledge. Temple of Learning. Why I said that, you know? Why I said that? You can put the question. Why I said that? Temple of Learning and Temple of Knowledge. Let me add few words more. Temple of Knowledge and Temple of Learning for their future generation. I think that is complete, I should say. This is the true meaning of College of Teaching Education. You are here, you're batch 17, 19. You were here not because of yourself. I think you need to understand that. Not because of yourself. Not because of your individual professionalism. But you are here to specialize yourself to serve others. To serve students. You get so unfortunate when we see around us there were people who does not really know where his talent is. There were young people nowadays who get confused about their talents. I think the Holy Scripture says, Almighty Creator, what is it? Almighty Creator, right from that time when the womb, you've been assigned and you've been given at least one talent. Is it not? One talent has been given to you. But ultimately and unfortunately, I should say, when we grow up, we get confused ourselves. When we go out, not to be served, but to serve others. I may understand that our fathers are here also. Our religious leaders are here too. So let me just tell you, let me just share with you. I'm sure all the 50 of you, God has chosen you to complete this course, this training, special training. And with your completion today, when you go back to your respective institutions or anywhere you work, let us have that motto that we are here not to serve, but to serve people. I think that is the message I would like to give to all of you. And the last message I would like to share with you here is, you know, the principal is so clever, offering me tea. She gave me tea in her house, in her room. So what happened was, she was talking about the approach road. Knowing well that Irudi is under my command. And that's why she invited me to be chief guest of this. But yes, seriously, I have seen it. Let me just tell you. I will do it within this year. I would say, work has to start. Principal just mentioned to me that one minister came prior to this term. They came, they made a declaration. They said, yes, work will start soon, but nothing happened till today. So for that, please don't mind. Let me just tell you in front of all of you, it is going to happen very soon.